What if you learned that there's one thing that dramatically impacts whether someone will buy from you or not? Something that has shifted from 70% pre-pandemic to an outstanding 96% post-pandemic. Would you want to know what that is? That's what we're going to talk about today, and how to make sure you make the most of that one thing so you completely shift your sales performance, increase your income, and positively impact your business success moving forward, regardless of what stage your business is at right now. My name is Jessie, and I help online experts and small business owners convert more new clients through having very effective sales calls. What I can tell you is that powerful sales conversations are the fastest way to enroll more new clients, make more money, and grow your business. So if sales growth resonates with you and you bring clients into your business with sales calls, this is the place for you. We're glad you're here. And if you're new to the channel, I want to invite you to subscribe, hit the bell to be notified of every time I upload new videos. And if you're a returning visitor, then thank you for joining us. I trust this video will give you a fresh perspective that you can immediately apply to your business. So I was doing some research the other day for a presentation I was giving and landed on an interesting statistic with regard to the impact of customer sales experience on the likelihood of someone's desire to buy, pre-COVID to post-COVID. And it showed post-pandemic that customers' desire for a great customer experience as a gauge for who they're going to do business with increased an astonishing 26% from before COVID. Now, customers have always valued being treated well, but after COVID, this demand for better customer experience surged. It surged by 26%. The statistic I had always heard was that customer experience played a 70% role in whether someone bought from you or not. But this post-pandemic study revealed nearly 96% of customers relied on customer experience as their prime motivator when choosing a company to support. 96%. Now that's quite remarkable. Maybe it's because we were reevaluating what was truly important during that time. Maybe it's because we saw businesses scrambling and adapting to the changing times and developing innovative ways to take care of their customers. I don't know. But what's surfaced is that customer experience is king when it comes down to how a client will choose who they want to work with. On top of that, another really interesting statistic emerged, and that is that 86% of buyers would pay more for better customer experience as well. That's how much it matters to people. And how do customers define an excellent customer experience? Well, customers want and expect something personalized, something that reduces their stress and resistance, and of course, friendly service, and not a one-size-fits-all or standardized approach. So let's apply this to your business. At what point in the process can you really give them a taste of what it's like to work with you, what their experience being a client of yours would look like? It's during the sales call. That's the first point of actually meeting your client face to face and really getting to know them. It's where you show them who you are, where they see what it would be like to work with you, and if they can trust you, if they like you. It's a mini interaction that reflects what your future working relationship would look like. So how do you give them a great experience where 96% of those people would recommend you and choose to work with you kind of experience? Well, you don't use the structured script that doesn't create connection, build a relationship, or pushes for the sale. Nope. That doesn't build the know, like, and trust factor. In fact, that pushes people away. And it builds resistance in working with you, which is exactly what you don't want. And you don't want to just wing it either. That doesn't work because it leaves room for too many errors on your part, too much opportunity for you to overshare, overcoach, solve their problems on the sales call, missteps that you would want to talk about with them that are important for them to know. You come across as friendly, but maybe not as professional as your client would like to see, not as their trusted advisor or as a seasoned expert in your field if you're just winging it. So this path loses you sales too, because these sorts of conversations tend to lack structure and accountability, which our clients want to see from their coach. So how do you create that optimal client experience that really draws clients to want to work with you, that blends that authentic friendliness with the competent and trusted advisor aura that a leader within their industry naturally exudes? How do you put your client at ease on a sales call, reduce their stress, and any resistance they may feel for being on a sales call? Well, you need to create what I call a magnetic sales conversation, where you balance 3 critical components to create an extraordinary personalized experience for each and every client you talk to. And those 3 things are knowing that many people have mindset issues around sales calls, you possibly, as well as your client. So it's our responsibility as the business owner to manage the energy, positive energy throughout the call. 2, you need to have an understanding that the call should follow a systematic path. I call it a framework, so that it covers all the information that you need for the client to understand your offer and for you to fully understand the client's needs. It's not a script. It's not winging it. There's this natural balance of elements that allows you to lead the client through a very effective and connected, meaningful conversation for both of you. And then 3, it's understanding and presenting your offer as a one-of-a-kind solution that it truly is. This is like a 3-legged stool. Each part is equally important for the chair to do its job. Each leg is needed and as important as the other. And when they come together, it's beautiful the way the conversation can flow so effortlessly, yet still be so personalized to each person that you talk to. It does create a 96% recommend and want to work with you experience. And as such, people are more likely to buy from you. And as that study suggests, people are more likely to pay more for that level of service, for a premium experience in working with you, right? As an example, one of my clients recently 2.5 times her price, and the feedback she got, because she's so confident about the results of her one-of-a-kind offer, is that her clients still feel like her offer, even at 2.5 times the original price, was a great value to them. Now that's what I'm talking about. Ultimately, what it comes down to is that the more people we help get to their goals, whether that be with us or not, it's about serving them first, not serving us first. And when we serve them in a way that they feel heard and understood and cared for, again, whether it is they buy from us or not, the more our business will grow. And it's that universal law of reciprocity. When we do good for others, when we lead with a positive energy and helping others, that the good will come back to us. Customers will feel the difference, and this dedication to outstanding customer experience becomes who we are as a brand, as a business, and that will bring us huge rewards. If you like what you're hearing, please be sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell to be notified of new videos, and hit the like button too. And I'd really appreciate it. If you know any other online experts who would like to fine-tune their sales conversation, share this with them as well. As you may see, I'm all about non-pushy and heart-centered sales methods that can help you really enjoy the selling in a way that's in alignment with you and your business values, but is still wildly effective in bringing on new clients. And learning the nuances of a sales call can change your business so quickly. My clients have doubled and tripled their sales conversion rates in as little as 8 weeks. So these tips have worked for them, and they can work for you too. One more thing, I've dropped some free resources in the links below, like notifications of our next free live training and workshops, a free sales objection handling checklist, and a link to book a growth strategy session with me if you're looking for more immediate impact to your business. My goal is to help small business owners reach an entirely new level of success simply by helping them convert more new clients on each and every sales call that they're already having. Simple and easy as that. So thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing you next week with more sales tips to keep you out of that pushy and pressure-filled sales zone, yet still signing up more and more new clients each and every day. Have a great week, my friends.